a beautifully restored Romanesque-styled home built in 1889, offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,468 square feet of elegant living space. This residence seamlessly blends historic charm with modern amenities. This historic gem exudes curb appeal with its classic Romanesque architecture, featuring a stone and wood facade and a welcoming covered porch that invites you to explore further. Step inside to discover spacious living and family rooms adorned with original hardwood floors, dual fireplaces, and period-specific light fixtures. The updated kitchen boasts granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, plus a center island, and flows perfectly into the dining area. The main level den offers a quiet retreat featuring built-in shelves and glass doors. Upstairs, the primary suite provides a serene escape, complemented by a fully remodeled bathroom featuring a dual vanity and custom tiled shower. 2 additional bedrooms can be found on this level as well. The property includes a detached carriage house with 350 square feet of livable space, complete with a kitchen and full bathroom, ideal for use as a guest suite, rental, or studio. Enjoy outdoor living and summer fun in the fenced backyard, featuring a patio area perfect for gatherings. The 2-car heated garage provides ample space for vehicles and storage. Don't miss out on making this unique, historical home your very own. Call Wendy France to find out more.